Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll show you how to fix Epic Games account already linked to Xbox. And that is the issue. And let's fix it step by step. So first off, you just have to go to your Epic Games, go to its main interface of Epic Games, and make sure that you have logged in after if you are in here. And as you can see, I have logged into my account, so I just have to go to my account. Now, once you are in here, you should go to your apps and accounts. And as you can see, when you have that issue, if it usually says just like this to remove. So if your Xbox usually says this, you should remove it so that it would not say already linked to Xbox, because it may be the Epic Games and your Xbox has been linked. And if you wanted to remove it, just press remove in here. For now, I didn't link my Xbox, so as you can see, it just says connect. But if you usually link your Xbox, you could see this remove button. So just click that and the Xbox link would be removed. And that's it. Thanks for watching. I hope my video is helpful and see you in the next one.